What's the meaning of crop circle? Crop circle. Crop circle.
Crop circle. Crop circle. A crop circle is a pattern that appears on fields of crops, often in a circular shape, created by flattening and bending the crops. The exact origin and cause of crop circles remains a topic of much debate and mystery. Many believe that they are created by extraterrestrial beings or as a result of supernatural phenomena. However, scientific evidence suggests that most crop circles are hoaxes created by human beings using tools such as planks and ropes. Regardless of their origin, crop circles have become a popular subject of fascination for many people around the world.